Visual Studio Code, VS Code, is a popular and powerful source code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports a wide range of programming languages, including C, and provides a rich set of features for developers. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to install VS Code and set it up to run C language programs. Step 1. Download and install Visual Studio Code. 1. Visit the official website of Visual Studio Code at https://code.visualstudio.com/. 2. Click on the Download button to download the installer appropriate for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux.
Please download the appropriate 64-bit or 32-bit executable X file based on your system requirements. Once you initiate the download, kindly wait for it to complete. If you've already completed the download, we can proceed to the next step.
3. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. 4. Launch Visual Studio Code once the installation is complete.
Double-click on the downloaded installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer. Choose the desired installation options, such as the installation directory and additional features if any. Click Next or Install to proceed. Wait for the installation to complete. Click on the Agree button and click Next. Next. Choose the file location wherever you want to install the VS Code. Click on Browse and choose the location of the file. Next. Click all the checkbox and press the Next button. Now we can set up the path of the VS Code. That mean our computer know the VS Code where install.
Step 2. Install the C, C++ extension. 1. Open Visual Studio Code. 2. In the side panel, click on the extensions icon, represented by 4 squares. 3. In the search bar, type C, C++ and press Enter. 4. Look for the extension named C, C++ by Microsoft and click on the Install button. 5. Wait for the installation to complete, and then
now we install the Code Runner extension by that process. This extension help us to run the code and give us the output value.
Step 4. Create a new C file. 1. Open Visual Studio Code. 2. Click on File in the menu bar and select New File. 3. Save the new file with a backquote. C backquote extension, such as backquote hello, C backquote. 4. Write your C code in the newly created file.
Visit the official mingw website. Click on the Downloads or Get mingw section. Look for the latest stable version of mingw and click on the corresponding download link. Choose the installer package that matches your system architecture, 64-bit or 32-bit. Initiate the download by clicking on the download link. Install mingw. Locate the downloaded installer file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer. Choose the installation directory where you want to install mingw. The default is typically C mingw. Select the components you want to install. Make sure to include at least the basic setup package, which contains essential components. Proceed with the installation by clicking Next or Install. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. Add mingw to the system path. Open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables, or edit the system environment variables. Click on the Edit the System. Click on the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables dialog, under the System Variables section, locate the path variable and select it. Click on the New button. Enter the path to the mingw bin directory. By default, it is installed in mingw bin. Click OK to save the changes. Click OK again to close the Environment Variables dialog and then OK on the System Properties dialog. Now all the process is done. Now you go on the versus code and save the CC language code and press the run, then the output comes in output section. Thank you for watch the video. Subscribe, like and follow the channel for more video and also press the bell icon for new video. Thank you.